I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word Tip. If you're going to rank Word's text attributes in the order of the most useful, yeah, a lot of juggling going on, is bold or italics the most useful? Or should the ranking be on the attributes used most often? Regardless, at the bottom of the list must be the hidden text attribute. What good is it? Let me show you how it works. In this document, I'm going to apply the hidden text attribute to this paragraph. So double-click in the right margin to quickly select the paragraph. Control D to summon the font dialog box, and choose Hidden. OK. And it looks like the text is gone, and superficially it is. You can't see it, and the cursor just zooms over it. Zoom cursor.
You are correct. It is useless. The Mulvanian Empire shall destroy it for you.
No, thank you. That's not necessary. After all, there must be a reason why it's included as a text attribute. To see the hidden text, activate the Show Hide command on the Home tab. Click the Show Hide button here. And there's the hidden text, appearing with a tiny row of ants below. Turn off Show Hide. So the text exists. It hasn't been deleted, but you can't see it without activating the Show Hide command, and any hidden text doesn't print in the document. And let me try out Print Preview. So I'll go to the File tab, Print, and the text isn't showing up here either, so it won't print. You can, however, copy the text, which is weird. Select the text above and below where I made the block hidden. Control-C to copy. And then I'll Control-End to move to the end of the document. And Control-V to paste. Well, there it is, but let me do the Show Hide thing again. And the hidden text was copied along with the rest of it.
You have failed to show the relevance of this silly text attribute, Humian.
Okay, so consider this. Oh, and this isn't my job. I'm just under threat of death ray, so here goes. Hidden text is good to purposefully remove something either irrelevant to the document's purpose or something you want to retrieve later. So say I'm reusing a document and some of the text isn't relative, and I can just hide it like this. Likewise, if I write something but don't really want to delete it, I can hide it. Maybe even move it to the end of the document first, and then apply the hidden text attribute. Now granted, these justifications are rather weak, but it's the best I can do with a death ray pointed at my head.
The death ray threat has been removed. Now how can one retrieve the text?
Good question, thank you. After all, you can't select the text directly, but you can select around the text. I'll select above and below where the hidden text lurks, or you can select the entire document, press Control-A to select all the text, and then Control-D to summon the font dialog box. Remove the checkmark by hidden. You may need to click this item twice as multiple attributes are selected here. This method is the best way to unhide text without affecting other applied attributes. Click OK, and the text is visible again. I'll hide the text again to show the second, more drastic method of hidden text recovery. Now, with the text hidden again, select before and after the document, and you don't want to select the entire document for this trick. And now press Control Spacebar, which removes all applied text attributes and restores the underlying text style. There's your hidden text. This last technique can really mess up other text formatting attributes, so use these.
We get it. Thank you for your assistance. Again, planet Earth is spared.
Well then, no need to hide.
Puns will not be tolerated.